New injectable knee repair is coming soon. We have a lot of new studies and a lot of research is being done. This is fantastic. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor, going on 36 years here. Please give me your thumbs up. Please subscribe. I have 1,300 videos here for you to peruse and get healthy with. Let's get the world healthy. You know, there's so many people now that have bad knees. I mean, they messed up the cartilage on their knees and are bone on bone, and it just, going terribly with their knees. And so many people have this, especially we have a lot of overweight people, and that puts a lot of pressure on those knees. And so we have people in pain. But a lot of new research is being done showing that very soon we may be able to do something about that and get rid of that pain completely. And lots of different studies from around the world are being done, being able to inject a scaffolding material inside that will allow chondrocytes to come in and bones, osteocytes to come in and repair the knee, and you won't have any problems whatsoever. It'll go back to normal, which is fantastic. I can't wait for this to happen because I know a lot of people who have terrible knee pain right now. And a lot of different things are being worked on. 3D printing for that area. Also injectable actual wood that actually takes in the chondrocytes and the osteocytes to allow the porous material in that wood to actually make the bone and cartilage grow, which is really fantastic. Very natural also. And there's other things going on. Also using types of silk and chitosan and different types of polymers that allow the rebuilding of the whole scaffolding of the home material. And I think this is really exciting news. If you look at the research down below, you can see some from 2025 and on back. It goes back a long ways, and there's a lot of studies about this. And I think we're very close to having an injectable way to get rid of knee pain and rebuild the knee completely. It's not very far away, and you can have hope now. And I'm going to keep you abreast of what's happening. And as soon as it really comes available to your doctor, your knee specialist, I'm going to let you know. So there you have it. New ways of getting rid of problems with the knee. It's coming. Also, remember God. Remember I love you. And if there's one thing that's happening, it is that a lot of people with so much are taking from those who have so little. Is there a man who has a lot and is giving back to those who has very little? Let's know that this is God's way, and great things are coming. It's been talked about in all the spiritual paths. I love you.